Hello everyone, I am Silvia Mantilla. This is my video tutorial. I explain the consonant sound. For the video, I choose 3 symbols of the consonant, and I will explain a little bit about consonant, their sounds, and articulation. Okay. I start with the consonant. Number 1 is the. Okay. The consonant the is an alveolar and stop consonant, and it is a voice. Touch you alveolarize the hard space behind your upper teeth with the tip of your tongue. The. Okay. Moving your tongue sharply toward and let air out in a short burst. The. Your vocal cord should be right. The. Okay. When it's important, we tend to confuse in the pronunciation with the consonant ta. However, when pronouncing it, the vocal cord must be right, and this is sometimes that different from the. Okay. I continue. Okay. I create the 3 sentences, and that's what I'm looking to. The. That's different. That's what I'm looking to. The sentences. Okay. Okay. Exercise of pronunciation. Practice your pronunciation by listening and repeat the following words: ladder, they, mood. You can hear the difference between the and ta in the tenses words. The, ta, trunk, met. Okay, I continue for the consonant symbols. Va. The sound va is voiced, labiodental, fricate, and consonant. Okay, I'm sorry for the music. The sound va is a voice, labiodental, fricate, with a mention after. Okay, press your upper teeth. Va against your lower lip. Breathe it out and let air escape your teeth. Va. Your vocal cord should be right. Va. Sorry for my dog. Care should be taken when pronouncing it, that can be confused with the y. And this pronunciation is similar because it's va. Okay. I create sentence and 3 sentences. Maybe 5 or 6 my mom moved into an apartment in German Villa. It's over and over ingrained that we had him as a conductor. Okay. I do exercise of pronunciation. Listen and repeat this word. Very, violin. You can hear the difference between the and why, this word, best, with, bow, bow, wow, well, well. Okay, I continue for the sorry. Okay, I continue with the symbol and the consonant sa, sa, sa. Okay, the consonant sa is a voiceless, alveolar, fricate, and consonant. Okay, the consonant sa is fricate and okay, thus you alveolarize the hard space between your upper teeth, with the teeth as you breathe out and let high escape your mouth. The show create a hissing sound. Your vocal cords should not vibrate. In the case it's not vibrate, my chords and sa, sa, sa. My face is funny because the pronunciation sa, sa, sa. Okay, and I continue. Okay, sorry. I three sentences. Okay, I'm your your face is as if don't you don't like sometimes. Is a is no, I don't like sa, sa. Well, has still three sentences. He still dance the it was me, but he and it are still on speaking term, which is because the people of this line were given specific instructions. She is a senior her at home. Okay, and thank you.